Hi, this is Dean, and this is the Kerry polka A part. I will teach it, but I will let you hear it first. Here's the A part of the Kerry polka. Repeating. The B part goes like this. That is the Kerry polka. Kerry is a county in Ireland, in the southern part, and there are so many tunes that are played at dances that they don't always all have names. And the only thing I know is that this is called the Kerry polka. And I think I've seen it in print as a Kerry polka. So anyway, this polka uses slurs and it uses string crossings, and so we should do a little of both. But let's start out with the string crossing. We are doing a down bow on the A string, and then an up bow on the E string. And what you'll notice is that my wrist is doing this kind of a motion. On the A string it's like this, and then on the E string it's like that. A, E, A, E, A, E, A. I also do a little bit with my fingers, so my fingers are more straight and then they're more curled. You don't have to do that, especially as a beginner, but it's nice to do. You can use that later on with some harder pieces in the classical repertoire. But for the most part, then, if you want to practice that, you should practice doing these little circles then. So let's do that on the A and E string to start with open strings. When we're doing string crossings, we usually establish our arm at the level of one of the strings, and then the other string we just dip our wrist down. And that really depends on where the moving notes are. Usually on string crossings we have some notes that are always the same, like the E string here. So the notes that are changing are on the A string, so we put our elbow at the A string level. So now let's do a little scale as a warm-up here. So we're going to do A, B, C sharp, D, and then E. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back down. And we'll do that as string crossings like this. I forgot to do the fourth finger E. But anyway, let's do this together. 3 and 4 and. Again. All right. The other thing that we have in this is some slurs of just eighth notes. And I like to put a little bit of an emphasis on the first note of each slur. So we should try doing that now. We're going to just press a little harder here. so we could go. That's a nice little scale to try out, to try doing that emphasis. And you can make up your own scales for that. Right now then, let's learn the A part. We have E, F sharp, E. I do that on an up bow. You don't have to, but it makes it a lot easier because then you're doing a down bow here. So let's do the E and F sharp and E now. Back out to the tip. Two more. All right, and now we add to that the C sharp and E, and then A and E. Let's do about 10 of these, huh? Oopsie, sorry. All right. So let's put those together now, starting on the E, F sharp, E. Here we go. And again. The next part has F sharp, G sharp, and A, and then F sharp. A lot like Allegro in Suzuki Book 1, right? Except we're going to slur them all together. And this comes on a down bow. Here we go again. One more time. And then we do E, C sharp, and then the slur of the B to the A on an up bow. And then F sharp here. I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. So let's put all that together, starting on the F sharp, da 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 da, and then put an emphasis on each beginning of each bow stroke. Here we go. Down bow again. One more time. All right, so we have the call and we have the answer. Here's the call. The answer. Now we do the call again. The answer is a little different. Only by one note. Instead of doing an F sharp, we do an A. So let us do the second call and the second answer. So here we are on da da da, E, F sharp, E. Here we go. Now A. Yeah, let's try it again. Alright, so there's only really, after you've learned the call and the answer, there's only one thing to remember, and that is that the first call has F sharp and the second call has, the first answer has F sharp and the second answer has A. Okay, so here we go. We're going to play the A part through 2 times. Here we go. All right, there's the A part. We'll do the B part in the next video, and then we'll play through the entire tune. See you later.